బా పిల్లలు all right, how are you all? Good morning to you. So we was struggled a lot because today my children were broken for arrangement and I came back. Yes, Shubham, good morning. Satish, good morning. Janisha, good morning. We're going to start our class. Let's close our eyes and we'll pray first. God kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. All right. Right now, 4 we discuss. So now this is your example number 4. So what was given? Show that the points A, 2, 3, 4, and next one is C, -4, 1, -10 are collinear. Collinear. So we need to prove here these points are collinear. How to prove these points are collinear? Listen this carefully. So first, we are able to prove that A, B, C both are parallel to each other. So once if you prove that it is parallel to each other, then if they get any common point, then point and who is that next kid? I need to find what is AB and the same what is BC. Let me take any pair which is having the common points. Yeah, AB and BC common point is B. If you want to take some other also, you take that BC and CA common point C. Same method you can take CAB. Their common point is A. In such a way, you have to choose the points and you have to take. So how to solve this part now? First AB I want and BC points I want. So that means what I do is a direction A and B are. Direction ratio of A and B are. So here it is A and B are. So I'll write here A is 2, 3, 4 and B is -1, 2, -3. We discussed direction 2 minus comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus g1. This is called as direction ratios formula. So what I will do here it is. So this equal to x2 minus x1. What is x2 here? -1 and x1 here 2. So -1 formula minus and here 2 is there that 2. y2 minus y1. 2 minus y1 is here 3. And z2 minus z1. -3 -4. So write -3 -4. That is equal to -3 comma -1 comma -3 -4 -7. This is your direction ratios of line joining points. Line joining points A and B. Okay. So same method. Can we find B and C? So then I write here direction ratios of B and C are. So now B and C are means B and C if we take B is x1 y1 z1 and C is x2 y2 z2. Now same formula x2 minus x1. So let me write x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1. So now here -4 -1 -4. We can write this as minus 10 minus of minus 3 minus 10 minus symbol and minus 3 in the Z1. So now how to write, observe carefully everyone. So now minus 4 plus 1 is nothing but minus 3. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 10 plus 3 is nothing. Words are now. This adjustment was very different. Kindly check now. Now you are finding or not. Did you found to me so that I can go for it? Genius points which I was written. No, sir. Oh my goodness. Now, no. Yes, ma'am. Can you come? Now it is possible for you all able to find. How to come now? Just kind one more. You all wait, please wait up to some time because the arrangement was not proper maybe. So one more thing we are keeping up. Come on, Nana. Properly. Now see, everyone see now and inform to me whether you are getting. Now see everyone and say to me. Now we went. I kept so much high. Just check and inform. Okay. This man whether. Now let me ask. Now you can inform me. Let me see to it. Okay. Once check, madam. All right, I think now it is okay for everyone. So you just, I think it was very close. I took. So now I hope it was good. Let's move on to the problem now. Okay. Okay. So here they given in the fourth question show that the points A, B, C are collinear. So if we want to show these A, B, C are collinear, you have to find A, B and B, C. Not only A, B and B, C, anyone that is just like B, C, C, A also. Or you may take common should be, say your C point is common, your A point is common, your B point is common. In such a way, you have to take the points. So I took now A, B and B, C. So A, B direction ratios, I need to find direction ratios of A and B are. So now x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, this is formula. So what I do here, it is first A, B point, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, you can write. After writing that, so just what is your x2 here? Minus 1. Minus symbol, x1 is nothing but 2. So we are writing here 2. Okay. So next one, y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1 means here it is. So 2 minus y1 is nothing but 3. That's what written here 3. Next z2 minus z1. Z2 is minus 3 and your minus symbol and z is nothing but 4. So we written that. So after writing that minus 3 minus 4 minus 7, 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 2. Okay, next problem on this. I will try to increase the size of the font. Okay, right. So now direction ratios of B and C also. Same manner, use formula of x2 minus y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 formula. But here points are B and C. After doing that, you found that these ratios are same you got. When ratios are AB is parallel to the BC. AB is parallel to the BC. But now you found here B is common. So B is common point both. See, if you want any two are parallel, first one should be AB, second one should be CD. There is no continuation possible. So if here B, here also B means it is highly impossible. That was the reason we are saying here AB is parallel to BC, but B is common. Therefore, A, B, C are collinear points. Collinear points. Clear? According to the direction ratios are both are same because of that reason. But here, so that is about your problem number 4. And now let's move on to the problem number 5. Right. So let's resolve. Example number 5 now. Anyhow, within our time only, I'll try to complete this exercise so that you cannot get any trouble of increasing timing. So I don't want to increase within 11:15. I'm going to complete it. Okay. Right. So now fifth example. If a line makes the angles 90 degrees and 130 degrees, next it is 40 y-axis and z-axis. So that is nothing but x-axis angle is 90 degrees, y-axis angle is 135 degrees, z-axis angle is 45 degrees they given. And I need to find direction of cosines. So direction cosines I need to find direction cosines. Direction of cosines I need to find. So how to find direction cosines of a line? So this is the direction cosines of a line. So how to find it? So you already know that if I need to find it, first what is my L? L is nothing but cos 90 degrees. M is nothing but cos 135 degrees. And N is nothing but cos 45 degrees. Because you already know that L is equal to cos alpha. You remember this formula? L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. So that was the reason now alpha means here it's 90 degrees, 90, M is equal to cos 135, N is equal to cos 45. Now cos 90 degrees is nothing but you already know that as a 0. So that is equal to cos, and cos 45 degrees is nothing but what do you know? So it is cos minus, sorry, this is minus 1 upon root 2, cos 45 degrees is nothing but 1 upon root 2. So how you got minus 1 upon root 2 is nothing but cos 90 plus 45 means we can write sine. So sine 45 degrees, but theta, that is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is nothing but that is means positive symbol or negative symbol. So you remember this, I hope. All silver are going to be the positive. So except sine and cosec remaining all are negative. So that was the reason here minus. So minus sine 45 is nothing but 1 upon root 2. Okay. This is in your rough you can write. So now cos 135 is equal to minus 1 upon root 2. Okay. So now direction of cosines if I need to write. Directly I will write here direction cosines of a line is equal to what is first one 0, second one minus 1 upon root 2, third one 1 upon root 2. Simple. That much only, very simple it is. So I hope you are understood this. So just angles are given and they said to you find direction cosines of a line. Just simply keep those angles in that cos because you know that L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. Just apply that formula, you are going to get answers. That is only your direction cosines of a line. Okay, so that is about your problem number 5. Now we are going to the exercise and we'll complete it within our 15 minutes time only. Okay. I don't want to take extra time for you all. I don't want to give that pain for everyone. Now we go for exercise number. Right. Exercise number 14.1, first one. Find the direction of a line which makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. Which makes which angles they say? Equal angles in the with the coordinate axis. That means alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to theta. Beta, gamma, all are same. So that's the reason. Let alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to theta with x, y and z axis. So because of that reason. So now once if you write this, what is your L formula? L is equal to cos alpha. Then M is equal to cos beta. N is equal to cos gamma. That is equal to cos. And alpha is nothing but here theta. And beta also theta. So beta and gamma also theta. So M. So you remember that we know that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Again cos square theta. N square means again cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1. And 3 here multiplying Go to that side, division. So now we can write cos square theta is equal to 1 upon 3. And here square is there, go to that side, square root, that is equal to cos, this implies theta is equal to 1 upon root 3 plus or minus. So at last you got answer is cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 upon root 3. Then you can write directly it is your cos alpha is equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma is equal to plus or minus 1 upon root. So then if you want to write, you can write, sorry. So we write direction cosines of a line, so is equal to plus or minus 1 upon root 3 plus or minus 1 upon root 3 plus or minus 1 upon root 3. So in that way we have to find out. Listen once again what I was explained clearly, listen. So once again, we'll discuss this exercise number 14.1. First question, find the direction cosines of a line which makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. So with the coordinate axis, they will make equal angles. That's the reason. That means L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, is equal to cos gamma, you know. That means alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to equal angle means something, because these angles are equal angle. Theta gamma is nothing but theta, but we know that relation L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So now just substitute. So L is cos theta, L square means cos square theta, N is cos theta, M square is nothing but cos square theta, N is cos theta, so that N square means cos square theta. How many cos square thetas are there? 3 are there. That's what 3 cos square theta. 3 is here multiplying. Go to that side, division. So cos square theta is equal to 1 upon 3. Here square is there. Go to that side, square root. So using the root, then you get as plus or minus 1 upon root 3. So now your dash also plus or minus 1 upon root 3. The reason behind that, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma all are same only. Clear? So then ask me now itself. Is anyone having doubt on question number 1? Exercise number 14.1, question number 1. All right. So I hope you all understood that. No doubt, sir. Okay. Kirtan is present or absent? First he was present, then where is he? If you are present, say Kirtan present, sir. So that I can understand you are present only. So now we go for second question. We have very less questions, don't worry about it. Okay. Akshit, I hope you are absent for your last class maybe. So in the last class, I was explained how that formula came, or what formula that is. What is the relation between L, M, N? That is, I was explained. There you will find L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. See, without seeing last video, kindly don't come here and don't ask, okay? So if you have doubt, you can ask, but without studying last class, kindly don't ask me. All right, now we go for our example, second question. So second question, find the direction sense of the line joining points 4, 2, 3 and 4. Said for you find direction cosines of the line joining points. Okay. So how to find this? Everyone observe carefully now. So direction cosines x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Okay. First direction ratios will find. So direction cosines ratio. That is, you have formula as x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay. So now here x2 minus x1 means 4 minus 4. Next y2 minus y1 5 minus 2. Z2 minus z1 7 and 7 minus 3 is nothing but 4. 0, 3, 4 is your direction cosines ratio. Now I am going to write now direction cosines of a line. So if direction ratios are given, then what is your formula? If so, I'm going to give here formula for you all. Listen this carefully. If direction ratios are A, B, C, then what is the direction cosines of a line? So that is nothing but A upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. Another one B upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. Third one, C upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, so remember this. If direction ratios are A, B, C given, then if direction ratios are A, B, C, the direction cosines of a line are A upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square, comma, B upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square, comma, C upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. This is formula. So now just substitute and get your answer. What is your formula? A upon square root of A square, B square, C square, B upon square root of A square, B square, C square, comma, C upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. Now that is 0. A is nothing but 0 upon square root of 0 square, 3 square plus 4 square. And here it is B is 3 upon square root of 0 square, 3 square, 4 square. And next here 4 upon square root of 0 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 16 plus 9, 25. So root 25 is nothing but 5. So therefore 0, 0 upon any number 0, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5. The reason behind here, square root of 0, 3 square plus 4 square plus 0 square means 3 square is 9, 4 square 16, 0 square 0, that is root 25, that is nothing but 5. So in this way you have to solve. So first direction ratios A, B, C are given. Directly we can use formula A upon square root of A square plus B plus C square, B upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square, C upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. This formula is to use, and this is how to solve the second question. Okay. Now we are going to the third one. Himanshu is present. Himanshu present. Where is Kirtan? And Tanish is present today. 10 members are there, and suddenly drop it to the 5. Answer so that I can know. So now third question. Line has direction ratios. So given direction ratios 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 2. Determine its direction cosines. So now we are going for the direction cosines. So I'll write here direction cosines. Here remember this as A, this as read this as C because it is direction ratio. And direction cosine means A upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square, comma B upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square, and C upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. Just substitute the values, get your answer. So A is 2 upon square root of 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Same thing here, minus 1 upon square root of 2 square minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So then minus 2 upon square root of 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So 2 square is 4, again minus 2 whole square is 4, 4 plus 4, 8. So now it is 3. So we can write here 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. So that is your direction cosines. Direction cosines of a given line. Clear now? Last question, if you are understood clearly, that second question is third one easy. So what we need to do, half of the third one. So in last question, what we found, direction ratios we found by using the points. But this question, directly given direction ratios, we need to find direction cosines by using this formula. Okay, so that is about your direction cosines. So I hope you all understood this problem number 3. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. So if you are not having any doubt, we'll go for last and final question for today. So we have only 3 minutes, we have to complete it. Okay, and I'm going to explain to you all firstly. So now we are going to the problem number 4. At least this exercise will try to finish it off. Okay, now we are going to solve our fourth problem. Okay, fourth problem, observe carefully how to solve. They said a vector R makes an angles 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 120 degrees with X and Y Z axis. So now 45 degrees is your alpha given, beta is given as 60 degrees, R vector given as 2. And here, this part I was not explained to you, but anyhow, now I will explain, listen carefully. Unit vector of R, unit vector of R, we will think, this will just observe now. Unit vector of R means R vector upon modulus of R vector is equal to, this is called as which vector? Unit vector of R. R vector upon modulus R vector. Unit vector is equal to, we will think this method, that is L I cap plus M J cap plus N K cap. So then we are able to find the vector of R. Okay. So R vector means, what is your formula? That is unit vector is nothing but Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap. But that you can write it as R vector upon modulus of R vector. This is unit vector of R. Okay. So unit vector. So now how to solve this? Observe carefully now everyone. R vector as it is, right? I don't know. But modulus of vector given in your question is 2. This all given. Okay, you know that cos alpha. So alpha means here 45 degrees. So cos 45 degrees I cap plus m is nothing but cos beta. That means cos beta is 60 degrees. So that cos 60 degrees j cap plus n is nothing but here what is n? Cos gamma. Cos gamma is nothing but 120. So right here cos 120 degrees k cap. So now I can write this as now cos 45 degrees is nothing but 1 upon root 2. So we'll write that as 1 upon root 2. So R vector upon 2 is equal to 1 upon root 2 I cap plus cos 60 degrees is nothing but half j cap plus Cos 120 degrees is nothing minus half k cap. So you got all, and what I need to do, just observe carefully here. 2 is dividing, go to that side, multiplication. So multiply with 2 each and every term. So then what you get, R vector is equal to half into 2 I cap plus 1 upon 2 into 2 j cap plus minus half into 2 k cap. 2 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. We can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 into root 2 are 2. So at last we'll write here r vector is equal to root 2 I cap, then plus j cap, then now take carefully here plus into minus minus k cap. So at last your answer r vector is nothing k cap. Okay, so what is difference between, okay, listen this carefully. Direction ratios means you will get only the difference between the points, that is x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So if you go for direction of cosines, then you will get like each and everything differently. See, last time I was showed in the last problem, A, B, C, or called as your direction ratios. Then direction ratios is ABC means direction cosines. How to find this? A upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square. That means a upon modulus of total vector, and then b upon square root of a square plus b square. Completely different. Okay, so that is completely different for you. That is the direction of ratios and direction of cosines. Both are different. Ratios means only ABC. If you want to for a direction of cosines, then a upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square in that way. If you want, if they are given in the angle form, just you can write L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. So here two forms you have to remember. The first one is angular form. Another one is they will give the points. By using the points, you have to solve it. Okay. So that is about your problem number 4. So I hope our time is up because 11th standard is going to wait for me now. Anyhow, next remaining any problems you have, you can send me message through the WhatsApp so that I can help you out. May God bless you. All right, one more thing I need to inform to you all. So I was observed your conversations and those all also. But one thing I need to clear for you all that by chance, if late happened for my class, there is some reason behind that. Without reason, I need to attend for the class immediately. So you have to understand that whenever I am late, so you can understand that that time. So there will be something happened in my place. Okay, whether it may be the signal issues, it may be the signal issues, or maybe some other issues are happening. If class is not there, I will inform to you through the WhatsApp immediately. If it is not possible, final attempts are completed, then I will send to you in your WhatsApp message that there is no class today in that. Okay, so kindly understand it and don't make fun of the class. Okay, so and kindly come regularly to the class. So, and your class is not for 2 days. So we will actually last time also I said we will continue regularly to the classes. But the problem it was a last time my child issues are happened and I could not. Okay, may God bless you all. May God bless you all.